I'm Liz with the Better Homes and Gardens Test Kitchen. Slice and bake cookies are a classic and so easy to make, but if you've ever wondered how to make them perfectly round, we have a couple secrets to success that will help you out. This type of cookie dough is usually too soft to slice neatly, so chilling the dough for a while will help firm it up and make it easy to slice. Shape your prepared dough into a cylinder, then wrap it in plastic, wax, or parchment paper. If you'd like to dress the cookies up a bit, roll the cylinders in finely chopped nuts, coarse sugar, or sprinkles before wrapping. Now put the cylinders into tall glasses, vases, or even a baguette pan if you have one, before chilling. This will help them keep their shape in the fridge. It's a good idea to rotate the cylinders during chilling so they're even with no sign of a flat side on the dough. Then, as you slice the cookies for baking, rotate the cylinder a quarter turn with each slice. As you slice, pressure from the knife could cause the dough to flatten out slightly, and this rotation will help keep the shape even. With Better Homes and Gardens secrets to success, now all your slice and bake cookies will be gorgeous, perfectly round, and great tasting.